It might seem to not matter which license plate holder you use, but in this video I will tell you why it does and why you should get this one and not this one. So this is the one that I got first, and it was on the car for a while. The problem is that it has no support for the license plate, and over time it's so tight it even actually warps the license plate. So as you can see from the side, it's like pulling it tight. The rubber material is getting hot, or I don't know what's causing it, but it's pulling it tight. And so when it's on the car, it's like jutting off and the corners are not flat with the vehicle. Furthermore, let's take a look at around these corners. Does this look good in South Carolina? Because in my humble opinion, maybe I'm being nitpicky. The black goes over the blue, but the black does not perfectly cover it. Even though in the photoshopped images, I'm not trying to sound too spicy here, it looks perfect, not the best. Let's try the Zakra brand and we'll compare. Side by side, there's not much thickness difference. With that being said, the backing material feels substantially thicker on the Zakra, and the installation procedure is very straightforward. With this outside, just the corner here, pull it tight onto the corner there. Careful not to cut yourself, and then pull it tight around the perimeter of the license plate. With the license plate installed, we actually want to take it out and bend it, press in the middle and bend it and shift it, shape shift it into the shape we want. And now it's more or less perfect. As we can see, the Zakra, this license plate is more or less straight how we molded it, and the Zakra does not exert any force, shifting force onto the license plate. Perimeter is nice and clean, license plate is nice and flat, and there we go. Just a quick video on that topic. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more license plate rubber recommendations and more car videos. I'm putting the Zakra on the Boxster. Here's the Triangle brand on the Cayenne. Corners are all bent up. Not flush with the car. Bottom is bent up. Not as perfect on the perimeter, but nothing crazy going on at the corners anymore. Just a nice flat license plate. The perimeter is actually a little bit better. Some exposed white. Looks a lot more uniform. Like and subscribe.